Hi, I'm Len Schroeder from Bloomers in the Garden and owner of Bloomers Home and Garden Center. Look at this confusion. I know people are intimidated when they come in and they're looking for something to take care of their plants. What do I get? Do I get the Windex sprayer that I spray and pump and my hand gets sore? And that when it comes to things like concentrates, people get a little nervous where it's like, how much do I use? What do I do? Do I put it in a watering can? How does it work? I don't know. What about if I have an insect control and I have a sprayer, but then I need to use it for a weed control? What should I do? We're going to clear all that up. First of all, easiest is going to be a pump sprayer. Now, a pump sprayer, you put a diluted concentrate into this reservoir. You pump it up so that it goes and it will get enough so that you can spray, and you just go ahead and spray your plants. It sounds simple, but then you're filling it all the time if you have to do your entire lawn. So we have something else to use. You've seen these. You probably have 4 or 5 of them in your garage, and that it is a hose end sprayer. Your hose goes on the end here. And this is called a chameleon sprayer. And this is from our friends at BPG. And what I love about that is they have a quick disconnect on your hose. So if you're in the middle of working, you can take it off and that you can take your sprayer inside. You don't have to drag your hose all the way through up into the house. So you need more water, you need something else. But a concentrate goes in here. So you would actually, it's time to put down Weed Beater Ultra right here. You put down your crabgrass control, you can put down Weed Beater Ultra, and at the same exact time, I just told Jenny in our office to go and do that. You pour the entire bottle, and then you set it based on what the directions say, and I want everyone to read the directions, okay? Some of them are like a book, boring and long. But again, the way that this works, Aaron, can you get a close-up on that little dial? All as you do is you put the concentrate, like I had said, inside this reservoir, and you dial it to what it needs. Like for instance, it's going to have 3 ounces, 4 ounces, and you dial it to what that needs. And like for instance, this is set at 3 ounces. The control product is set for 3 ounces. Inside, there's a little tube, and this tube will create a vacuum as the water passes through it. And then you can spray your yard without having to be the mad scientist. All right, I gotta do 2 ounces, I got a gallon of water, I gotta mix it up. It all takes place right in here. Very simple, easy peasy. It's exactly what you need. And then I would get 2 of these, one for insecticides and right on it, insects, and the other one for weeds, so that you don't cross-contaminate. You don't want to do that. And again, this is our favorite. It's the chameleon sprayer, and it's a hose end, and then again, you can do your entire yard without having to go and get your sprayer and have to refill it 100 times. Now, yes, there are backpack sprayers and there are other types of sprayers. Like we have a 2-gallon sprayer that's right here. But again, this $19.99 versus $60, $100, $150 for a backpack sprayer. This is what I recommend. Now, there are some applications like indoor plants where this would be required. So I would have one on the spare. But outdoors, you're spraying your shrubs, you're spraying your lawn for weeds, this is the one that you want. This is Len Schroeder from Bloomers in the Garden, owner of Bloomers Home and Garden Center. We'll see you in the garden.